all know, laser technology as a high-tech application is gradually changing every aspect of our lives. Zhong Laser, as an advanced manufacturer of laser equipment, our mission is to provide customers with cutting-edge, high-quality laser equipment and application solutions to our customers. Zhong Laser is a team of experienced and talented professionals. They are energetic young people and experienced veterans in the laser industry. In this team, innovation is our most important value. We always keep abreast of new technologies, new technology concerns, and apply them to our products and services. All of Zhong Laser's laser equipment undergoes rigorous quality control and testing to ensure that we are providing our customers with the most reliable, highest quality product. Whether you need a laser marking machine, laser welding machine, or laser cutting machine, we can provide you with customized solutions to meet your specific needs. Zhong Laser's team starts from design. High standards and strict requirements are adhered from research and development to production to ensure that each machine meets the highest level of performance standards.